This video will highlight all the key features you need to know about the DELLA 28,000 BTU dual-zone mini-split air conditioner and heat pump. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this air conditioner in the description below for the latest price. The DELLA 28K BTU mini-split is designed for those who want reliable comfort across multiple rooms with one outdoor unit. With two indoor air handlers rated at 18,000 BTU each, this system can cool and heat spaces up to 2,000 square feet, making it a solid choice for medium to large homes or offices. Its dual-zone capability means you can set different temperatures in separate rooms, giving you flexibility and control for individual comfort. One of the most appealing aspects of this unit is its energy efficiency. With a 20 CR2 rating and inverter technology, it offers up to 30% energy savings compared to traditional systems. That means lower utility bills without sacrificing performance. Plus, it uses the more eco-friendly R454B refrigerant, which is a positive step for sustainability. The system also supports multiple modes such as sleep, eco, dry, heating, and cooling, giving you year-round comfort. Another standout feature is its ultra-quiet operation. At just 32 decibels, it's quiet enough to run in a bedroom or office without disturbing your peace. The included Wi-Fi capability with Alexa integration makes it convenient to adjust settings using your voice or phone, which is a huge advantage for modern smart homes. On top of that, the 4D airflow ensures that air is evenly distributed across the room, preventing hot or cold spots. However, it's important to note a few considerations. This is not a DIY installation system. Professional installation is required, and line-set vacuuming is necessary to ensure proper performance. Also, while the system can technically cover two rooms at full capacity, if both zones are operating at their maximum simultaneously, performance might slow slightly. For consistently heavy demand in multiple zones, you may need to consider a larger or additional system. Overall, the DELLA 28K BTU dual-zone mini-split offers a strong combination of power, efficiency, and smart functionality. It's perfect for homeowners who want quiet operation, energy savings, and the flexibility of controlling two zones independently. With its included 16-foot installation kits, voice control, and year-round heating and cooling capabilities, this unit balances convenience with performance while being mindful of long-term energy costs.